we have revised this chapter also in detail. So today only what we are going to do, we will discuss some objective question of this chapter. Okay. For this, children, you please read thoroughly the chapter. So you can't able to miss any question, because in examinations, children, there is 40 marks of objective question will also come, where you will get 4 correct option, 4 wrong options. There is 4 option, 1 is correct and 3 is incorrect. So you have to choose the correct option by clicking over there. Okay. So please ready for the examination. What you have to do for the objective question, you have to read the chapter thoroughly. So you can't able to miss any question. Okay. Some internal question can also come. So here is some question for you. What we have learned in this chapter, from there only I am giving you a question. What are known as body building nutrients? We have divided the nutrients into three types now: body building, energy giving and protective. Body building is known as protein. Energy giving is known as carbohydrate. And fat. Okay. Then protective nutrients is vitamins and minerals. Now food rich in fat, that is butter, oil. So the food, these are rich in fat. Okay, then these are the example of the food which are rich in fat. Some nuts also. Okay. Then food rich in protein, milk, egg, fish. These are the foods which are rich in protein. Then food rich in minerals. So minerals we are getting from fruits and vegetables. Like that, from carrot we are getting iron, from apple we are getting iron, from milk we are getting calcium, from the cheese also we are getting calcium. So you can write here, from there only you can give, for example, here carrot, apple. Okay. Then method of food preservation. There are many different methods of food preservation. Here we are going to write only 2 methods. We are going to write. Maybe question will come like that also. Name any 2 methods of food preservation. Question can be twisted, children. So you have to understand what is written over there. Okay. So improve your language. So like that, name any 2 method of food preservation. We know simple method is boiling only, freezing only. Okay. Freezing, boiling, canning is there, sweetening is there. Okay, salting is there, adding food preservatives. So these are the methods we are using for food preservation. So here you can give example: boiling and freezing. Then sweetening, canning, whatever you want to give, you can give your example. After that, children, that is, take the correct option from your worksheet. Salad or milk contains a lot of fiber. Which one? Salad or milk? Answer is salad. Okay. Salad contains lot of fiber. Bile digest protein or fats? Bile digest what? Fat now. Bile, which liver used to secretes, that digest the fat only. Okay. Meat, beans and nuts form the protein or cereals group. Which group it is? Okay, cereals group or protein group? Meat, beans and nuts. These are the protein group. Okay, we get lots of protein from meat. Then saliva helps to digest starch or sugar. Saliva in the mouth now, it is secreting from salivary glands. So this saliva is digesting starch or sugar? It is digesting starch and then converting it into sugar. So what it is digesting? Starch. Okay. So answer is starch. Water from the digested food is absorbed in small or large intestine. Okay. We know that digested food is absorbed in a small intestine, but here it is given water. Water absorbed from the food in a large intestine. Okay. So water from the digested food is absorbed in a large intestine. So correct answer is large intestine. So now there is a pick the correct option. Sugar and starch are protein, fat, carbohydrates or minerals. Sugar and starch are what? These are carbohydrates. Now, so correct option is carbohydrates. A nutrients that help us warm. Which keeps us warm? Which nutrients? So answer is fats. Fat is not only providing us energy, it is keeping us warm also. Okay. A nutrients that is required in very small quantity, but it is very much important. We need in a very small quantity, but it is very much important because it is a protective nutrient. So what will be the answer? Okay. Carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, or all of them? All of them we require, but not in a small quantity. In a small quantity we require only that vitamins. Okay. Little vegetable we are eating now, we are eating this much rice and only little vegetable. But it is very important. So answer is vitamins. Okay. Now next question is which of the following has no nutrients value, but then also very important. No nutrients value, but very important. What it is? It helps in process of digestion. It cleans our digestive system. So what will the answer? Fats, vitamins, roughage or protein? Fat, vitamins, protein, everyone is having lots of nutrients value. Only roughage is not having, and it is very important. Okay. So answer is roughage. Digestion of food does not take place in mouth, large intestine, smaller intestine or stomach. Everywhere digestion of food take place. In the mouth also, in the small intestine also, in the stomach also. Only it does not take place in large intestine. Only there water is observed from a digested food. No digestion is taking place, only absorption is taking place, and absorption of water only, not of food. Only water they are absorbing in a large intestine. So answer is large intestine. Digestion begins in the mouth. Okay. Where it begins? Where digestion starts? In the mouth only. From mouth only it started. The digested food is absorbed by the blood from the digested food. Here we are talking the absorption of food, not water. So digested food is absorbed where? Small intestine. Okay. Answer is small intestine. So in the small intestine only digested food is absorbed by the blood. Undigested solid food is thrown out of the body through the anus. Answer is anus. The dash connect the mouth to the stomach. There is one connection between the mouth and stomach. Okay. From mouth the food is going to the stomach through what? Through the food pipe. Answer is food pipe. In the food pipe also no digestion is taking place. Okay. Only it is a way from which food is going from mouth to stomach. Okay. The liver secretes bile. Okay. The liver secretes bile. Dash is the essential mineral to form healthy bones and teeth. What is the essential mineral? To make it strong, to keep our bones and teeth healthy. That are calcium. Okay, calcium are very essential and that we are getting from a milk. It is better to drink milk. Now here it is a true and false. Always wash vegetable and fruits after cutting. That is false. you should wash vegetable and fruits before cutting nicely, because if we, after cutting we are washing, we are removing, we are wasting some nutrients of the foods. Okay. Now second, protein are digested in the stomach. That is correct. Okay. Protein are digested in the stomach only. A balanced diet should only contain carbohydrates. No, not only carbohydrates, all the nutrients, okay, that protein, carbohydrates, fat, vitamins, minerals, along with water and roughage. Okay, that is only known as balanced diet. So not only carbohydrates, that is false statement. Protein are called energy giving nutrients. Protein are body building nutrients, not energy giving nutrients. Okay, protein are body building nutrients. So it is false statement. We should eat meals at a fixed time. We should eat meals at a fixed time. Yes, of course. It is a good habit. So we should not all time eating, or sometime not eating only. So we have to eat the meals at a fixed time. We should include a lot of fiber in our daily diet. Yes, that is true. We should include a lot of fiber in our daily diet. That is the correct statement. Okay. Now here more true and false. Canning is the method of cooking. Canning is the method of preserving, not cooking. So it is a false statement. Roughage has high nutritive value. No, it is having no nutritive value. So this is also false statement. Water helps to maintain our body temperature. Yes, it helps to maintain our body temperature. So when we are sick, we are drinking lots of water. That's why doctor used to say drink water. So this is true. Okay. You should wash vegetables after cutting them. No, we should wash vegetable before cutting it. Okay. So this is false statement, last one. Now here is the filling the blanks. Sugar and starch are what? They are carbohydrates. Sugar and starch are carbohydrates. Dash are useful substances present in the food we eat. What are useful substances which are present in the food we eat? That is nutrients. Okay, nutrients. All the nutrients, protein, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates. Okay, these are the useful substances. So answer is nutrients. Dash are nutrients that keep us warm. What keep us warm? That fats. Okay, so answer is fats. Dash and dash are called protective foods. Yes, vitamins and minerals. Answer is vitamins and minerals are called protective food. So children, please read the chapter thoroughly and practice. Keep on practicing. From anywhere question can come. So thank you. Have a nice day.